To fix the issue with the car app not working, start by accessing the App Store. Once there, navigate to the search section and type in the name of the car app. The app should appear as the first option, listed as carpooling and bus below an advertisement. Click on the app and select the Get option to download it to your device. After installation, locate the app, which should be recognizable by its pale blue icon featuring two bees. If the app still doesn't work, check your Wi-Fi status or look for any available updates in the App Store. Additionally, verify that the app is supported in your region by checking on a web browser. Ensure you're signed in to your account to utilize all the app's benefits. If you need further assistance or find this information helpful, consider exploring more resources or seeking additional support.